In the Bay Area, homelessness is impossible to ignore. Tent encampments, neighbors struggling to survive. It feels overwhelming, too big to solve. But at Abode, we know solutions exist. Last year, we helped more than 18,000 people get back on their feet through housing and support. Our Rapid Rehousing program provides up to 2 years of temporary housing. And RCAP, our Rapid Rehousing Cash Assistance program, offers 12 months of direct financial support, giving families breathing room to stay stable. The real challenge isn't just what we see, it's how we see it. When we view homelessness as unsolvable, it is. But when we commit to solutions, change is possible. RCAP is one of those solutions. Most Americans are just one crisis away from losing housing. In the Bay Area, rents demand more than half of many families' income. On a minimum wage, affording a 2-bedroom requires 120 hours of work a week. For those who lose housing, rebuilding is harder still. Yes, rental aid helps, but childcare, food, and medical bills keep families on the brink. Cash assistance programs like RCAP cut through red tape, offering fast, direct, no-strings-attached support. Research shows they reduce poverty, improve health, and give families the freedom to invest in housing and stability. That's why Abode administers RCAP, providing up to $16,000 in direct payments over 1 year, empowering participants to cover essentials and plan for the future while strengthening local economies. It's more than money, it's dignity and an opportunity to succeed. Now it's your turn. Shift your lens and see how unconditional support can change the picture, one stable home at a time.